Here we're investigating isosceles right triangles. Remember, to be an isosceles triangle we have two sides congruent, and if it's a right triangle then we have one right angle. For an isosceles right triangle, the legs have to be your two congruent sides. They would be the sides making the right angle. Our hypotenuse, in this case segment A, will be the longest side in our triangle. So we have our two sides that are 3, and we're looking for segment A. So we're going to take 3 squared plus 3 squared equals A squared, using Pythagorean theorem, to solve for segment A. So this would be 9 plus 9 equals A squared. That's 18. So when we take the square root of both sides to find A, remember square root of 18 in simple radical form is going to be 9 times 2. So we end up with 3 square root 2 for the length of segment A. Now we're going to do the same to find segments B and C. So here we have legs of 4. 4 squared plus 4 squared equals B squared. Now solve for B. So now we have found that segment B is 4 square root 2 units, and segment C is 5 square root 2 units. We seem to have a pattern. So if we have an isosceles right triangle and the leg is 7, how could we find the hypotenuse? Do we need to use the Pythagorean theorem every time, or can we use a shortcut? Or what if we just say that the leg is x? What would the hypotenuse be then?